Okay, so this is the final stage of respiration, called the electron transport chain, involving the molecules that we formed from the Krebs cycle, NADH and FADH2. This is very similar to the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis, if you remember that diagram, but it's just the opposite way around. Here is the intermembranal space of the mitochondria, and here is the matrix of the mitochondria. So here is one of the membranes of the mitochondria. So we take NADH, and this forms NAD, and the hydrogen lost from here will travel through the membrane into the intermembranal space. This electron lost from the NADH will pump 4 protons through into the intermembranal space. Here, FADH2 is converted to FAD, and this will also pump hydrogens through into the intermembranal space, but this will only pump 3 protons. Because of the high concentration of hydrogen ions in the intermembranal space, there's a very steep concentration gradient formed. So they want to get back here into the matrix. This happens via ATP synthase. They travel down through here in a process called chemiosmosis to produce ATP from ADP plus PI to form ATP. This is called oxidative phosphorylation. Now, the electrons that are involved in the electron transport chain travel down the electron transport chain in a series of redox reactions, the same as the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis. And this energy is what's used to pump these hydrogen ions through these proteins here on the membrane. When electrons leave this electron transport chain, the final electron acceptor, oxygen, is joined with the electrons and 2 H+ ions to form H2O, which is water, which is why we breathe out water in respiration.